Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video I am going to tell you how to prepare tan removal, brightening and moisturizing mask. This mask should be applied on hands and legs to remove suntan and moisturize them. You should apply this mask every day. This is a two-step process. First step is leg and hand mask and the second step is oil massaging. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to get updated on all my 100% natural home remedies. Subscription is absolutely free. For the first step, I am adding 1 tablespoon of besan, 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of honey, squeeze 1 lemon into it, and add a pinch of turmeric. Mix it well. The consistency of this mask is not too thick and not too thin. Apply this mask on your hands and legs. When you apply this on your legs, make sure that you apply it on your feet also. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Besan removes tan, curd soothes the skin from irritation, honey moisturizes, lemon helps in brightening and even tone. Turmeric reduces scar and improves the skin health. After 20 minutes, wash your hands and legs with normal water. After washing, apply a layer of almond oil on your hands and legs. Massage it gently for 10 minutes. This improves blood circulation and will make your skin look healthy and glowing. The skin in legs and hands are very dry and sensitive. Almond oil helps to retain the skin's moisture, heals chapped and irritated skin. After 10 minutes, take a cotton ball and wipe your skin gently. Do not remove the oil completely, let some traces of oil sit on your skin. You can see a visible brightness and glowing skin just after applying this mask and massaging for the first time. It is suitable for all skin types and it is suitable for both men and women. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.